Welcome to Haugen Racing, guys. So James Deane, he just built this crazy new S14. It's a S14.9, basically a S15 front and rear end conversion. Kevlar body kit. This thing's absolutely wild. He built it for the Russian Drift Series. And when I saw that they had this thing in a set of courses, I was like, I have to try it. I also found an entire Willow Springs compound. I don't know if we can travel to other tracks. If we can, we're definitely gonna do it, but we can start on Streets of Willow. It's such a rad track, super, super fast. And then also some really fun, just like big ass turns. So let's freaking give her a rip. All right. So I need to get used to this track again. So let's see, so go around here. God, I haven't been in this course in like a couple of years. Oh, this thing is a monster. Oh, miscalculated that. Oh my gosh, all right. Again, guys, when I do these videos, I come in without ever trying anything and I'm learning it as I'm going, so just bear with me a little bit. Oh, this car's so good. Alright, we're getting a little feel for it. 30 seconds in. Oh, yeah, this car's gnarly. It's like, it's really grippy, but it's also like so planted and smooth. It's kind of like doesn't make sense in a way. Well, it does make sense if you look at like James Deane's driving style and his results. Like he's always pretty fast, but always super smooth too. I gotta get that. I'm still trying to remember this course too. That's sick. Oh! We were jamming! Alright, I'm gonna load up Horse Thief Mile because I definitely want to try this car on that track. Alright, unfortunately we couldn't travel from track to track, so I just loaded up Horse Thief Mile in the same track pack. I didn't change anything on the car, by the way. Left it the same as on the last one. Like this car almost feels like a car I've driven before. Like I'm getting used to it faster than say like other cars. And I don't have that much experience drifting like S14. It was my first drift car, but I got rid of it pretty early on and it was never anything like super powerful. Don't fall off! Come on, baby! Oh my god, way offline there. I want to get this freaking downhill like savage mode. Ah! Can we go anywhere else here? Hello? I know this isn't necessarily a track review, but it's my first time here. First of all, Horse Thief is a little bit too small. Everything is like slightly smaller than IRL. But I wish like all the tracks are developed and you can drive all of them, but like we need to be able to drive from track to track. Can I just cut through this fence? Whoa! Whoa! Oh, no way. Okay, we're in the pits. Oh my God! Are we on it? It's funny, even at like super high speeds like this, like this car still feels like really planted. Like it's ready to drift, but it doesn't feel like stupid loose. Which is how a proper drift car should feel. Even low power, it should feel kind of like road race. God, we got some speed going. Whoa! Whoa! See, there's a good left foot brake situation. I talk about that a lot, but that was one where it worked out perfectly. Didn't slow me down too much, needed to do it there to make that corner. Here, you could think about left foot braking, but there's really no reasons here. I've just been talking about left foot braking a little bit, so I kind of wanted to bring it up. See here, nope, that didn't help me. I was trying to avoid handbrake and just try a left foot brake there, but it wasn't gonna happen. And now I'm all distracted. Well, this car is an absolute riot. Like, we gotta try a whole mix of high speed stuff, technical stuff. I mean, we had our freaking ripping in 5th gear. I think I can't remember what it topped out at. It was like 167, I think, in 5th gear. I would say, overall, this car is nuts. I freaking love it. I definitely would like to drive this car some more. If you guys want to see me drive this car some more, comment below. Let me know where I should take it next. If you want to support us, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Leave us a like. Check out our merch at HaugenRacing.com. And we'll see you guys in a couple days. Peace.